Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix storage full error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your storage is full or you're seeing this error again and again. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you can go to settings app here, scroll down, go to software update and just make sure that your software is not have any pending update, because sometimes it might be that if it's your software have any pending update, it's downloading any update or it's installing any update, so it might preserve your storage almost 5 to 15 or 20 GB. So you can try to check for updates, download and install the update on your phone, then just go back from here and go to device here, go to storage here, and in this section you can see how much storage you have used, how much storage you have remaining. So you can try to delete something from your storage, like you can click on videos, and from here you can try to delete your videos you don't need, or you can also try to click on these three dots, click on select all, and that's click on delete all to delete all your videos from here. You can do the same thing with your photos or your images, your apps, your audio files, documents, installation files, compressed files. You can't use this system data here, but you can also go to other files, and from here if you might see any other file like these type chunk files, so you can try to remove them. But sometimes it might be that these in this other file section you have some necessary files, so deleting these files can damage your apps or your system. So I don't recommend to delete other files and system folder. You can delete up to videos, photos and most necessary apps. Go to apps here, you must see which app is using more storage in your phone, so you can get that on top. Now you can select the app which you want to delete or which you want to manage. Like there's a system app. In my case, there's a system app. I can't do anything with this. But the most thing or the best thing I can do to go to storage and just try to clearing cache. The same thing you can do with any your third party app. Like I'm gonna open my Instagram here, go to storage. Now you can try to clear cache and you can also try to clear data, but it will log out your accounts from your app. Or if you find any unnecessary app here, so you can try to completely delete that. After doing this, you can scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on the restart icon again. You have a restart your phone to make a quick refresh with all your system. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still getting the same issue, so that's the only way. Just scroll down, go to settings, go to general management, go to reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset. Now here the most thing you can try to get a backup of your data, because it will completely delete everything from your phone, including your apps, accounts, videos, photos, files, everything you have your phone, it will be deleted in this step. So I recommend you have to take a backup of everything, and then you can try to make a reset or a factory reset, so it will help you to fix out your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.